Hello everybody, this video here is going to go over the co-running sale entry and sale maintenance screens inside the web software. Okay, so to do a sale entry, it's very simple. We just go up here to the sales and go to sale entry. Now once you're inside sale entry, this search bar, which works just like in the order entry and the service call entries, you can search by name, you can search by the PO number, you can search any part of a company's name. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to type 1216. Now this is going to tell me everything that has 1216 in their address or their title or whatever. It makes it kind of easy to actually look up a number, or look up a location. So I'm just going to pick 1216 Giant Eagle Westlake and hit continue. Okay, so once it's inside here, you have all the items to choose from, but the items that are assigned to location are going to come up. Also any surcharges, and you can go ahead and select these items. Like I could go ahead and I can add more items and even add an additional surcharge if I wanted to. Okay, and that goes right there. You also have a location you can put in delivery comments. You can also say that, hey, it wasn't delivered to the customer address, it was delivered to a totally different address, which will actually show up on the delivery ticket. You can change the sale date, sale time. You also have access to the change in the date and the time that it was done. We can also change who the person was that was actually did the entry of the sale. So if you happen to be using somebody else's login and you want to change who actually did the sale entry, you could go ahead and put that right there. We also have access to viewing sales history about that particular delivery location as well. Okay, so going down here, I'm just going to go ahead and put in quantities. Oops, sorry about this. My apologies. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put in some quantities here. So I'll just put 100 of those, and I'll put 50 of those. Now we can go ahead and edit. We can go ahead and edit the price. We can change it taxable, non-taxable, but the location has to be set as taxable in order to be able to make this adjustment. Okay, this customer is set as exempt. Same thing that goes down here. Here's your surcharges that have come in automatically, and we just hit continue from there. And from here we can go ahead and download and view the receipt. We can email it. If any email address is present for the company, they're going to come up automatically. We can copy the email address to myself. I'm the user, and it'll send me a same copy of it to myself. So I'm just going to go and download this and take a look at it. Okay, so here's the PDF copy of the receipt. Right there. It says your PDF copy and all the surcharges and everything. Okay, so that's one sale right there. So let me do another one real quick. This time here I'm going to do one that has the gap surcharge on it. So I'm going to do 100th BOM. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and go straight to products in this one and add them in. And in the PO number that was on file comes up automatically. I can change it to check, or whatever. And I'm just going to say they're getting 20 bags. Now you can see right here that this is warning me, hey, there is a gap surcharge on this guy. You can see right now that the pre-tax total is $70. Now if I go ahead and hit continue on this, you can see right here the gap surcharge filled in the gap and brought this bill up to $250. So a gap fee of $180 was initiated on this particular sale. Okay, and I can just go ahead and finish that one out as well. Okay, so that's my second receipt that's done. Okay, so now let's get into sale maintenance. Now sale maintenance is just a way of going in and editing the current sale that you just did. Now sale maintenance is very important, specifically when you're on your daily reconciliations, you're checking your driver's work, they made any mistakes or whatever. You will go into sale maintenance and fix those mistakes before the sales are uploaded into your accounting software. So let's go right into this last sale here. I'm going to go to sale maintenance. And same idea, we can actually search by receipt number, PO number, but I'm just going to pick 100th BOM group and hit continue. Now here's all the receipts that they have on there, and they have markers on. So let me pick this one first. Just hit the check on, or you can just click on the receipt number itself and it'll take you right into it. Continue. Now here's the sale already and say, you know what, there wasn't 20 bags that was delivered, there was 40 bags delivered. And I can hit continue and finish. That sale's done. Now say I'm going to go back into it again, and let's just say this time I want to, you know what, I made it out to the totally wrong location. This time here I'll just click on the receipt. It wasn't 100th BOM group. You can actually No, not in this case you can't. Sorry. Yeah, oh, sorry, you can reassign it to a different location and say, you know what, it wasn't 100th Bomb Group that I went to, it was 3 Spot Bar and Grill. And that's done. Let's go back into it again. There's 3 Spot Bar and Grill. Let me open that one up. There's the sale right there. I can select it. And we can go right in here. We can download, email the receipt, reassign it. But this time here, I'm going to cancel the sale. And I'm going to save it. And I'm going to give a reason. It's always going to force a reason. Okay, and continue. And finish. That sale is gone. Now there is a situation that'll come. Let me go into sale maintenance and show you what that tag looks like on that location. The sale is still going to be present right here. You can see right there it's showing that it's canceled. Now there is a different scenario where a sale might be already batched up and sent in your accounting software. Now in that situation, it is not technically going to be canceled, it's going to be a void. So I'm going to click this receipt right, let me pick one that I know is done. This one right, let's just pick this one right here. Now this one here, no, that one there is, sorry about that. Let me go back into it again, my apologies again. This, here we go. Okay, here we go. Sale maintenance. Let me pick another. Let me just pick this location right here. I'm going to go back in their sales history here and look back. Okay, this is the date that we were still active. This sale is batched up and sent to our accounting software. Now you can see right here, it does not say canceled. It says void. The reason being is the sale is already batched and sent to accounting. So I'm going to do this time. I'm going to void it. I'll put test again and finish. Okay, so now let me go back into it again, and you'll see that it's got a tag on it that says voided. We can still download that receipt and take a look at it. And I'll just pull that up for you real quick here. So you can still actually pull up this old ticket and see what was voided. Okay, so finally there's one other thing here. There's reporting on canceled sales. For canceled sales and voided sales, there's reporting so you can see, well, what sales have been canceled or voided. So if you go into reports and go to sales, you'll see right here we have a canceled sales report and we have a voided sales report. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull one up here, and I'll just go from the very beginning, 2000. Okay, so it's from a long time here, so let me just go ahead and pull up and see how many canceled sales there are. This right here tells me every canceled sale that was put in, the canceled sale that was done, and it goes way back to the very beginning of time. Okay, so that is an overview of the sale entry and sale maintenance. If anybody has any questions, contact Corning Software. Thank you.